Do you know how does heat flow? Direction of the flow of heat is from hot to cold. The flow of heat from a region of higher temperature to a region of lower temperature is called transfer of heat. Similarly, in nature, there is three different ways in which heat is transferred. These are conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction, the process of transfer of heat from the hotter end to the colder end of the object without any actual movement of the molecules of the material is known as conduction. When we heat solid metals, their particles vibrate vigorously. These vibrating particles collide with their neighboring particles and pass on their energy to others. These neighboring particles thus start moving faster and the process continues. The transfer of heat by the process of conduction takes place only in solids. Conditions required for the conduction of heat. Heat can be conducted from one body to another only when they are, number 1, in contact with each other, and number 2, at different temperatures. The materials which allow heat to pass through them quickly are called good conductors of heat. The materials which do not allow heat to pass through them are called bad conductors of heat or insulators. As we know, water is a poor conductor of heat. So, transfer of heat in water by conduction is not possible. Then, how the heat transfer takes place in water? In liquids and gases, heat transfer takes place by the process of convection. What is convection? The process of transfer of heat in a liquid or a gas by the actual movement of the particles of the liquid or gas is called convection. In liquids and gases, heat is transferred by convection because their molecules are quite free to move. The molecules of solids are closely packed and their movement is not possible. So, convection does not take place in solids. Earlier, we have studied all these topics